I didn't know we were offering professional feelings.
Oh yeah.
Get right real quick, man. Good.
This is cool. I've never been down here. This is sick, actually. I think we should be cool. Well. Alrighty guys, what is up? We're meeting up with the squad right now, pulling up into the Sheetz. Not sure what we're gonna be getting planned into, but we'll see what we got going on for the day. You need to clean your visors off? Alright.
Wipes or something?
Yeah, I got wipes in my bag.
Oh, I'm fucking. I didn't know we were offering professional feelings.
Oh yeah.
Get right real quick, man. Good.
Yeah, so like I said, we're headed down to Hellam. I gotta figure out, I wonder if that's a 250 or that's a 350. Or maybe, I don't know. Is it a 600? I don't know. I'll have to see. It doesn't have any writing or anything on it. But yeah, we're gonna head down the highway here a little bit, and then we're gonna head off, get some back roads. So I'll catch up with you guys if we're getting into anything fun or interesting. Peace out, gang. Man, this is crazy. I've never seen ice caps like this on a river. That's insane. That shit is wild. Yeah, they're going flying, so I'm gonna let them go do their thing. I'm not trying to die. Yeah, I like riding crazy sometimes, but man, dude, that's like too much for me. This is cool. I've never been down here. This is sick, actually. That's crazy. Like, where'd all that come from? That's wild. Yeah, his Gixxer though sounds mad nice. I need to get an exhaust for this thing already. It's a little cold down here too. Oh my god. Ugh. Getting a little chilly. Oh yeah, we're going down to check it out. I bet. I gotta piss so bad, man. Like, oh my god, I gotta pee so bad. I'm about to say too, we should probably like stagger it. Yeah, or like that, staggered a little bit.
Yeah, just move your tire up a little more.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool.
And then just We passed that challenge.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, that dude driving whatever that shitbox was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude.
Heck yeah. Yo, this is crazy.
Yeah, let me grab my keys. I want to walk out.
Alright.
Dude, I wish I had boots on, man.
Yeah, we should be cool. He said security.
We have like a detective agency that comes out here and sits.
Really?
Yeah, especially in like the summer, people come out here and fuck a lot.
Well, there went that. Yeah. I think we should be cool. That's crazy. This water must get like insanely cold.
Old man's gonna come by me. I don't know if we should trust this.
You say what?
I don't know if we should trust this.
They're probably like, I want to.
You know you want to come out too.
I'd love to. I'm all wiped out though. I think
Yeah, but I say you better fall. Well, it's gonna be a cold ride home, y'all. Got soaked up to our legs. Man. All right. My socks are soaked, my boots are soaked. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, got my wallet and everything I need, we're good. Oh man. Yeah, it's a little too cold out here, and now that I just got freaking absolutely drenched, I turned the GoPro off and let the helmet lay back on the bike, and we went out on the ice, and we literally both fell in at the same damn time. Like, what are the odds of that? That's insane. Oh shit. Yeah, both of our tires are soaked, everything. We definitely shouldn't be like messing around doing anything. But I know he's gonna go flying. Yeah, it's a cool little spot though, for real. Alrighty guys, that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned. I got a few more clips that I filmed during this time of nice weather out, so keep posted. Make sure to turn on notifications, subscribe if you are not, so we can get into the YouTube algorithm. Yeah. And if you guys enjoyed the content and have any questions, make sure to drop a comment, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out guys, love y'all.